good, Fit Fam? So sitting up here, I went back to Chipotle again to eat. Decided to kind of, day off, kind of treat myself, myself, and I today. It's a little meal. So I got me a standard chicken bowl with plenty of veggies. There's no beans, lots of corn, some lettuce, and a combination of white and brown rice. Just decided to come out here and enjoy the day. A nice hot day in D-Town. So I'm gonna enjoy this. Got chest and biceps today with my boy D. So we're gonna get on that later on. Y'all will see that, of course, as usual. But it's gonna take y'all through my day, man. Got a little grocery shopping to do. Gonna take y'all through that, and we're gonna just enjoy the day. So I'll see y'all in a bit. So, first thing I'm doing is to pec that fly, the pre-exhaust my chest. Did 4 sets, 12 reps, just to get my chest pre-exhaust. I kind of want to be stinging going into the bench. So, pec fly, we tend to use it in the beginning and either the beginning or towards the end of the workout to really pre-exhaust our chest. We feel like that exercise is just to get that burn, that sensation in the chest muscle, get it pre-exhaust and pump. So this time I did it so I can go into the workout already feeling a little pumped, which I do right now. So wait on D, I'm gonna warm up on bench. D is doing chest and back. I'm doing chest and buys. I'm hitting back tomorrow with a club member. So, not for the first set. Alright guys, so I'm about to do going to my 5x5. I got 265 on there. If it feels easy, I will go up more weight. I'm gonna see how this feels first. got one. You come on, come on. Oh, he can't get up. You man on a push with me. Oh, okay, you doing what Ace doing? Okay. You come with the palms out. Yeah, I like that way too. I don't know how to do 30s with that though, but I'm gonna try. What's different too? Instead of grabbing it, do that shit. Okay. Place it on your hand. Yeah, like that. Yeah. There you go. Alright, so last chest movement I'm doing for the day. Decline bench, 185, 4 sets, 12 reps. Having 212. Yeah, that's easy. Come on, bro.
The red velvet too.
Yeah, both of them. Okay guys, so you see I am at Walmart currently shopping. I promised the family I will cook tonight and I'm gonna be making some spaghetti. So I am looking for, I don't want no vermicelli, I don't want no linguine, I want, yes, these right here. Two of these. This is 12. It's only 24. You know what? I'm gonna get the better buy. The better buy is actually this 16 ounces. Same thing. I get 8 more ounces right here. So then you wanna get on deck, meat flavored. This is the goat right here. That's it, man. Egg on top, vegetables, the noodles, and the airline right there too. Oyster, the purple one, and then right.